Let me show you something really quick on my computer. Now, this is my executed trades from top and bottom sniping forex robots. You can see the executed price here. This was at the top, so it actually sniped the top and then boom. This is what you get when you install your top and bottom sniping robots. You only sell at the top and also buy at the bottom. That's exactly the power of top and bottom sniping robot. Now let me switch the camera so you can see the trades. You can also see the trade right here. We are already on 1,200 plus profit at the moment. Now check this out. This is my top and bottom sniping robot V1.0. You can see it here, 1 and 2. Sell at the top and buy at the bottom. And this is exactly what executed the trade that you are seeing, the running trade of 1,200 plus. That's exactly how it works. Trading is simple. You just need the right tool. Click on the link and enjoy the power of top and bottom automatically.